Stop by and take a look at 2021 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera, driver attention alert system, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.